Hello everybody, now we are going to install the Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0 installer on the computer. Firstly, you must download the installer from Dropbox that we sent the Dropbox link via email on the 14th of October 2017. Right mouse click the Dropbox link provided. This is the Dropbox link view after clicked. There is ICRM _setup V2.0 file. Just download the file and save it to directory D folder ICRM _20 Dropbox. Open the directory D folder ICRM _20 Dropbox. This is the file that we sent via Dropbox link, namely ICRM _setup V2.0. Now we need to extract this file using appropriate unpack software. Just right mouse click and we got the Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0 installer. The Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0 installer contains two files, that is, password executable file and setup executable file. Now we are going to extract the password executable file first. By installing the password executable file, then we get the password need to install setup executable file that contains Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0. Double-click on the password executable file.
This is the dialog box to start installing password for Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2. Just click OK. Well, this is the welcome dialog box to the password or license for Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0 extraction application. Just click Next. This is a verified password. You need to type the installation password. To ensure that you are unauthorized to obtain the application of Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0, please fill or type the quotation invitation number for this purchase order. The quotation invitation number, we can get it from the email that you send to us when you invite us to send the quotation for this project. This email sent by Mr. Damin Chu Wenji. This is the number. Just copy this, right click mouse. Okay, we minimize this email, put in the here, right click and just click Next. Well, the location to install this password, we put in directory C, folder ICRM _20 pass. Just use this default and click Next. Well, the installer already installed the password, and the result stored in the directory C. This one. Then this is the password extracted by the password installer. Well, this is the password. Okay. And please finish. Okay. Now we are continue to, after we got the password, now we continue to install the installer itself, the installer for Jakarta Building Characteristic version 2.0. Just double click in the setup. Okay, this is the dialog box to install the Jakarta Building Characteristic version 2.0. Just click OK. This is the dialog box for installing Jakarta Building Characteristic version 2 installation. Just click next. Verify the password. You need to open the password, copy, paste here, and just click next. This is the license agreement. Read carefully. If you agree with the license agreement, just check box on the radio button. I agree with the above term and condition, and click next. Installation folder. The folder for the installation result we store in directory C, folder ICRM _20. Just use the default and click next. Okay, this is installing the files. This process one by one. Because it is only sample one subdistrict, so the data is not so big. Probably only around 65 megabyte. Just 2 or 3 minutes is finished. Okay. Well, okay, finish. Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0 has been successfully installed in your computer. Just click finish. The result we can see in the folder in the directory C, folder ICRM 20. Well, this is the result of the Jakarta Building Characteristics version 2.0 installer. This is only one subdistrict, Cengkareng. Contain 4 villages: Cengkareng Barat, Cengkareng Timur, Duri Kosambi, and Rawabuaya. And this is the report folder. This is the Jakarta Barat data that only contain one subdistrict for this example. Okay, that is all to install the Jakarta Building Characteristic version 2.0 for sample one sub-districts. Thank you for watching this installation process. Thank you very much.